Good morning from the island of Moorea, Alabama.
I look so red. I'm not sunburned yet.
We got a lot planned today. Yesterday was kind of the travel day, getting kind of settled. And it was super exhausting. I like legit fell asleep like 3 times at dinner.
No, we stayed awake all day because we got here at like 6 in the morning, but we had been traveling since the day before his morning.
Yeah, so it was a long day. The jet lag definitely kicked our tails, and it definitely showed. But we still had a really good time once we got, settled in and all that stuff. We, had some drinks, hung out on the patio, swam some, did a little snorkeling. Michaela and I did get a swim with a stingray, and we saw a shark. Unfortunately, we are terrible vloggers, and we had the wrong SD card in that was basically full. So we got no footage of the stingray that we swam with. And this is a wild stingray. This isn't like one of the kinds where you go on the tour and they're used to being fed and stuff like that.
They're not still wild.
Yeah. I mean, they're still wild, obviously. But
it ran from us, put it that way.
Yeah, this one ran from us. And like, we kept trying to chase it. And like, you could clearly tell that that thing did not want anything to do with us. And it stopped at one point. Michaela and I both were just like, like we stopped with it. We're like, oh, okay, I don't want to get stung. So, but we got, what do you say, about 6-7 feet from it?
Yeah.
I mean, we were right on top of it, basically. It was kind of cool. And then like, we swam back over, and then Jamie was sitting on the patio and he was talking to us and stuff, and he goes, oh my God, look. And like, we looked down, and this like seriously 5 or 6 foot black-tipped shark goes like right underneath our bungalow. So we were so bummed that we weren't in the water at the time. I know it sounds crazy.
I don't even think I didn't get a picture of it.
No. I think we tried. I think we tried, but I think it was already kind of swimming off.
Yeah.
So we'll do a better job. We charged all the batteries last night. But
we did get a picture of a spotted stingray.
Yeah, so
it was pretty cool.
We'll have some good pictures coming in on Instagram. The Wi-Fi here is absolutely terrible.
Trash.
Straight trash.
It keeps kicking us off.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
We'll get everything uploaded and downloaded as much as we can, as quick as we can. But so today we're gonna go get some breakfast, bring y'all along with us, and at 1 o'clock, 1:30, we're gonna go hop on some ATVs and explore the countryside today. We decided not to do the lagoon tour today because of how tired we were from yesterday, so we wanted a day to kind of recover and just hang out. But tomorrow we got lagoon tours. We got a scuba diving trip. Hopefully we'll get to that this week too, and we got some pretty cool excursions coming. So thank y'all for always watching and following, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Thanks.
Bob, have you ever fished on the Bonita Run? Oh, there's some more.
Oh, that one's different. The big one's different.
This is definitely life. We're just kind of out here chilling out, hanging out, seeing kind of what's going on, and getting some drinks and stuff. And man, snorkeling has been awesome around the bungalow. Like right next to us, there's some buoys and stuff that you can go past. That I guess theoretically, you know, you can get hit by a boat, so they probably don't want you to go past it. But that's where all the cool coral is. So I think Michaela and I are probably going to go snorkel there and at some point and try to look and see what we can find. So we got some really good footage earlier of some really cool fishes. We're just having a good time. This is day 2, and we got like a lot more time on this island. Today's Tuesday, so we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I mean we got 6, 7 days, something like that. We still got a whole week basically on this island. So we're gonna do as much as we possibly can, have a good time, try to bring y'all tons of footage, and we'll do some reviews here and there, maybe. But really we're just enjoying this. This is something we wanted to do for a long time, and we finally got the opportunity to do it. So it's been really cool.
pool. We